Dahil, posibleng makakatanggap kayo ng magandang balita with the Page of Wands, okay? This is this is will be the very, very, beautiful news for you, for the both of you, okay? Kasi mag-asawa 'to, eh. Ayan, oh. There will be the Chariot. Yeah, this will be the velocity of the change, okay? Yung bilis ng pagbabago na andito na. Kumbaga may biglaan na pagbabago na talagang ikakagulat yung dalawa. Kasi talagang, nagtutulungan kayong dalawa mag-asawa, and then lalong-lalo na 'to si Queen of Wands. Kasi, andito yung bumubuo din siya ng parang kanyang, queendom. Kumbaga, parang may nafi-feel ako na parang may nagbi-build dito ng, kanyang, let's say,